Here's the tact you have to do. Get a credit card, one credit card, okay? Spend about $50 a month on it. You don't need to spend any more than that. And then pay it off. Make sure you pay it off on time every month, month after month. The algorithms that look at you increase your credit score regardless of how much you're paying off. So you don't have to put thousands on it. The fact that you pay it off gets you a higher score immediately.
Facing credit challenges? No need to stress. Australian credit lawyers are your solution. Meet some of our satisfied clients whose lives we've turned around.
I had default that I never thought would be removed. Australian credit lawyers helped me and successfully remove it.
They cut more than $90,000 worth of defaults on my file.
Finally, they fixed my worst repayments history information.
They helped me to get my credit file fixed, and now I can get my dream car.
My score reached 863. I got my dream house. Great customer service.
You guys worked magic on my credit file.
If you have some issues on your file, don't hesitate to contact this team.
It was very fast process.
Australian credit lawyers are so amazing and helpful.
I highly recommend these guys. No stress, no drama, affordable too.
No debt agreement, no loopholes, no bankruptcy. Don't even think about it, just call them.
A big thanks to the Australian credit lawyers team.
Honestly, I highly recommend Australian credit lawyers to anyone who thinks it's impossible with your creditors because my score is 800 plus.
So a big thanks to the Australian credit lawyers team.
Thank you so much, Australian credit lawyers.
I would highly recommend Australian credit lawyers to all my friends and family members.
Highly recommended. Australian credit lawyers.
Once again, a big thank you to Australian credit lawyers team.
I am a very happy client. Once again, a big thanks for Australian credit lawyers team.
A big thanks to the Australian credit lawyers team. Well done. 5 stars all the way.
You guys are great.
Big thanks to the Australian credit lawyers team.
Don't be shy to improve your credit.
Don't let bad credit hold you back. Contact us today and take the first step towards a brighter financial future.